Make sure your safety is on and the barrel plug is installed. Locate the magazine guide and slide it towards the barrel end and lock the guide into the 4 position. Insert the ammo one at a time into the magazine door until the magazine is full. The magazine will hold 15 rounds of ammo. Unlock the magazine guide. Do not slam the magazine guide into the ammo, as it may break the shells. Lock the magazine guide. Press down on the magazine door and turn the Z200 upside down to remove the ammo. Double check to make sure all ammo is removed.